Hi guys. Today we got some very mysterious packages from Amazon Prime.
So mysterious.
You don't know what's inside, so it's mysterious.
Let's open it.
So we're gonna open this.
Wait, Kawa. Wait, Kawa.
What's in your box? Whoa. Is this a Gryffindor
Cloak.
and a Hufflepuff cloak?
And what is in here?
Wait, I don't
We
think.
don't know.
Turn around. Let me see. Look.
I think
Okay.
I'm
So
creative.
now,
we're both Ravenclaw
Guessing,
because
I
we're both
think.
creative. Why didn't I
we both got
get? I want Ravenclaw.
magic
Good
wand.
ones. Hey, let's just one. Shiny song, shiny song,
Try flipping it over.
shiny song, magic one. It's the same thing.
Let's
Let's see. No, let's see. This one says seat bod.
Ooh, see the play.
This one says bone.
Oh,
Where does it say that actually?
Let's open it.
Try.
Whoa, there's a wand.
Magic
guys.
sound.
This is
Ding 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 ding. I got a skull on mine. If I can find it.
it's not a skull. Yours is bone.
Wand, use and care instructions, and the best
Oh,
doodle of a wizard.
It's got a motion guide. Open it.
Emotion guide. Guide to wand motions.
It's very cool.
Whoa.
I have two wizards
Pack.
in our house.
Fallen packs logged into truck. So it's like this.
And it tells you what to say.
Yes, it does.
Read that.
Yeah, it does. Protego, Reduco, Revelio. Yes, it tells you what to say and what the motion is.
Familiar.
All right.
Leg lock.
Open up this case. Whoa.
Does yours light up? Let's see.
Sea urchin.
What?
That makes tiny spikes come erupt all over you. Thanks for watching.
Leak.
Bye, guys.
Leak.
Like and subscribe.